Vic Damone. Vic Damone. Travis Van Winkle. Travis Van Winkle. Cindy Blackman. Cindy Blackman. Khalil Greene. Khalil Greene. Anthony Azizi. Lost actor Anthony Azizi is reportedly a member of the Baha'i religion. Source: Justin Baldoni. Jane the Virgin actor Justin Baldoni is reportedly Baha'i. Source: Dizzy Gillespie. Jazz legend Dizzy Gillespie wrote in his autobiography, "When I encountered the Baha'i faith, I believed in the oneness of mankind. I believed we all come from the same source, that no race of people is inherently superior to any other." Source: more Dizzy Gillespie. The best Dizzy Gillespie albums of all time: 810 of 1891. The greatest musical artists of all time: 380 of 525. Which artist would you bring back from the dead to write one more song? Rainn Wilson. The Office actor Rainn Wilson was raised Baha'i, and he reclaimed the religion as his own in his 30s. In an interview, he stated, "I like being a Baha'i who has an out there sense of humor. God gives us talents and faculties, and making people laugh is one of mine." Source: more Rainn Wilson. Funny tweets that prove Rainn Wilson is amazing at Twitter. 205 of 264. The best male actors working today. 179 of 339. The funniest people of all time.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.